Imagine creating emotional miniature rescue videos that look like Hollywood-quality animations, without a camera, without animation skills, and without spending a single dollar. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and Flow AI to create cinematic miniature rescue videos that are perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate story ideas, create detailed AI prompts, produce stunning images, and transform them into realistic miniature rescue animations. Let's begin. Step 1. Generate your story with ChatGPT. The first step is creating a compelling story. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with ideas, we're going to let ChatGPT do the creative work. Open ChatGPT and paste in the Miniature Miracle Rescue Architect master prompt. This prompt transforms ChatGPT into your own AI creative director. It generates emotional miniature rescue stories with believable environments, engaging characters, and satisfying endings. Ask ChatGPT to generate 5 story ideas. You'll receive unique concepts such as tiny villages recovering from floods, miniature farms suffering from drought, broken bridges being restored, or abandoned towns brought back to life. Read through the ideas and choose the one that grabs your attention the most. A strong story is the foundation of a viral video. Step 2. Generate the complete AI prompt. After selecting your favorite story, ask ChatGPT to generate the full cinematic prompt. The prompt includes everything the AI needs to know, including the miniature environment, the tiny characters, the emotional problem, the gradual rescue, the restoration process, lighting, camera angle, sound effects, and the emotional ending. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your final video will look. Step 3. Create your image with Gemini AI. Now open Gemini AI. Copy the cinematic prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. Gemini will generate a highly detailed image that serves as the starting frame for your video. Look carefully at the result. Make sure the environment feels realistic. The miniature people are clearly visible, and the scene matches your story. If necessary, regenerate the image until you're happy with the quality. A clean, detailed image gives Flow AI much better material to animate. Step 4. Bring the story to life with Flow AI. Next, open Flow AI. Upload the image generated by Gemini if required. Then paste the video prompt from ChatGPT. Flow AI will animate the miniature world, transforming your still image into a cinematic rescue sequence. Watch as the environment gradually changes. Maybe a broken bridge slowly repairs itself. Perhaps dry farmland becomes green again, or a damaged home is carefully restored. The animation should feel natural and believable from beginning to end. Avoid fast transitions or sudden scene changes. The smoother the restoration, the more satisfying the final video becomes. Bonus tips. Here are a few tips to make your videos stand out. Choose emotional stories that viewers can connect with. Keep the camera angle consistent throughout the animation. Use detailed prompts to improve image quality. Avoid overcrowding your scenes with too many objects. Most importantly, upload consistently. The more videos you create, the better you'll become at crafting engaging AI content. And that's how you can create cinematic miniature rescue videos using ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and Flow AI, completely free and without any expensive equipment. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials, master prompts, and content creation tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.